and subscriber, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Guys, before we even jump into today's video, I say big shout out to James over there in UK. Guys, the amount of love and support I've been getting from all of these amazing persons, it's unbelievable. Like just cooking outside my yard, and I never know that it would eventually reaching so much person out there and so much amazing comment. But for that, I'm forever grateful for everyone who has been pouring out their love to me, both on the YouTube and both on the TikTok platform. So in today's video, I will be preparing some sorrel beer fried chicken, some carrot dumpling, and some boiled food. And the boiled food is yam, banana, dasheen, and corn. So that's what I'm gonna prepare. So I will be walking you guys through the step of how I prepare all of these amazing dish once more, just for you guys. So I have the chicken that I already cut up and wash off with some vinegar. So now I am gonna use some scallion, onion, thyme, pimento seed, garlic, pepper, ginger. So I'm gonna shred the ginger. So the ginger is hard to cook out, so the best way is to shred the ginger. So I'm shredding the ginger all over the chicken. Just a little bit of ginger. So I'm going to use some garlic powder. I'm going to add in the chop up season, which is the scallion, some pepper for spice, some chop up garlic, onion, thyme, and a little bit of pimento seed. And for the powdered season, I'm going to add 1 spoon of chicken season, 1 spoon of all-purpose season, and a spoon of meat season. I'm just rubbing in the season. So after I finish rubbing in the season, I'm gonna add some of the sorrel beer over the chicken to leave the chicken to marinate for at least 1 hour. So it's a sorrel beer fried chicken. So I'm adding half of the sorrel beer. So I'm gonna make the batter for the chicken. So I'm using 2 serving spoons of flour, all-purpose season, small portion of meat season, just the same. I'm gonna add an egg. I'm gonna use some milk, and I'm gonna use the rest of the sorrel beer. I'm gonna add in the egg, some of the milk, so I'm adding some of the sorrel beer. So I'm just mixing out the butter. So I use 1 carrot, and I'm going to use the carrot to add into the flour, which I'm going to make some carrot dumpling. I'm just grating up. So I'm adding half pound of the flour to the carrot. I'm adding a small piece of butter. Just a little bit of salt. So I'm not gonna add any water to it. So I'm gonna mix, because remember that the carrot have a lot of water in it. So I'm gonna mix in the flour until everything become one. So I catch up the fire, guys. Start the vlog. Use some plastic to get the fire light up, and then I use some little strips, to keep it catching. Water boil up, I know, my people. So I go add in the boiled corn. Add a little bit of salt. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm boiling the corn. So the corn is much more harder to cook than any of the ground food. So we're boiling the corn first. I'm adding in the yellow yam into the pot. So basically make the corn cook first before adding the yellow yam. Today I am doing some carrot dumplings. So I'm just adding in the carrot dumpling them into the pot. I'm just turning them into the pot to ensure that they are not sticking. I'm adding the dasheen and the sweet potato. So the last thing is the banana. That's the last thing I got add into the pot. Just add a piece of scallion in the oil, and the scallion are going to help you add flavor to the cooking oil. So I am adding the chicken into the sorrel beer butter. And then add them into the dry flour. Just dusting them through the flour, through the dry flour. Adding the green banana then, and next 5 minutes everything done cook, because these banana they are pretty easy to cook. Within 5 minutes. Take out one set of the Sorrel beer fried chicken out of the pot. So this is the second set in the pot now. So I'm just checking on them. I make some sauce for the chicken. I'm going to use some scallion, onion, bell pepper, some garlic, some shredded ginger. Just gonna saute them up a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of orange juice. I'm gonna give it a minute, and then I'm gonna add the ketchup. I'm gonna add in the ketchup. I'm just making a simple basic sauce. Just add some orange juice in it, just to give it a little orange juice flavor to the sauce. So I'm adding just a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little bit of soy sauce. And a little bit of honey. Into the sauce. So just a simple basic sauce with some orange juice. The last thing you have to do, have to fry the plantain and the sauce done. So the sauce is right over there. So we reached the end of the video, and this is my carrot dumpling, sorrel beer fried chicken, boiled corn, avocado. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos.